In this video, you'll learn how to use and insert emojis in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a fun worksheet, adding some personality to meeting notes, or just making a document a bit more expressive, emojis can be a simple way to bring your text to life. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help you use them more effectively. First, make sure you have your document open. Go ahead and open Google Docs in your browser, then either create a new blank document or open an existing one where you want to add emojis. Give the page a second to fully load and make sure you're signed into your account so all the menu options are available. Once your document is open, click into the spot where you want the emoji to appear. This could be in the middle of a sentence, after a paragraph, in a heading, or even in a list. Wherever your cursor is placed, that's exactly where the emoji will be inserted. Now look toward the top of the screen at the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Find and click on the one labeled Insert. When you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for things you can add to your document, such as images, tables, drawings, and more. From that list, look for the option called Emoji. It might be a little further down in the menu, so take a moment to scan carefully. Once you see emoji, click it. As soon as you click emoji, a panel or window will open, showing a large collection of emojis you can choose from. This panel is usually organized into categories like smiley faces, people, animals, food, symbols, and others. You can scroll through the list or switch between categories using the icons or tabs within the emoji panel. If you're looking for something specific, such as a smiley face, a heart, or a check mark, you can either scroll until you see it or use any search field that may appear at the top of the emoji window to type in a word related to the emoji you want. Take a moment to browse and find the emoji that best fits what you're trying to express. When you've found one you like, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, it will be inserted directly into your document at the position of your cursor. If you want to add more than one emoji, you can keep clicking additional emojis before closing the panel, and they'll appear one after another in your document. After inserting the emoji, you can treat it very much like regular text. You can move your cursor next to it and type more words, press space or enter, or delete it if you change your mind. If you want to repeat the process, just go back to the insert menu, choose emoji again, and pick another one. That's all there is to it. By opening your document using the insert menu and selecting the emoji you want, you can quickly add a bit of visual flair to any Google Doc.